So 3, 2, 1, we're live. Okay, so today is 16/25, February 22, 2024. What I'm playing here is a NEC, that's the brand, NEC RMS-2100R or 2100R. This is the only one that has a LED power level display, okay? And just so I can, let me close off this gentleman here from the Far East or the Middle East, that guy. Let me refresh my page and see if I'm actually live. Maybe, there we go. What happened there? Why is it showing that picture? Okay, well, yes, I'm live. I got one person watching already. Yay! Okay, so much for that. Anyway, what I want to entertain you with, I'm not going to give you a whole bunch of pictures because that just may be boring to some people, I don't know. But this is what I've been working on. This is takes 8D batteries, okay? It's loud. And all these look the same, okay? This one, okay, this is the only one that is different looking because it only has 6 buttons on top for the cassette deck. All the others have 7 because they have a cut switch, which is for cutting out from when you're fast forward or rewinding in the search mode. Okay, now this one here needs the rewind gear, and I'll get to that in a moment. So this won't rewind. Okay, so I have to, okay, auto stop for me. Go back to play. It will fast forward, and it's got one lit already, and it should stop at the next song, wherever that is. So I'll give it a moment, because this is automatic, and you can program it up to 7. So there it did. It just went to the next song, and which is that song. Okay, great. Anyway, let me hit stop because I don't have so much of that tape to play.
Texas significant.
That's AM, FM, then you have FM, and you have FM with wireless, or FM with what do you call it? This is so you can do karaoke, or karaoke, whatever you call that. You plug your microphone in here, you can turn this on or off, and you either sing the music or not. This one only has one antenna, okay, because it's AM and FM, alright? But that's also different because these other anyway. So let me just pull this one down, unplug this one, right, and pull it down, right, and to the next one here. Here's another model. It's called a Sharp GF-204. Okay, I made a video about this a while back where I did repair it, but again, this one needs the rewind gear. Okay. And so I plug it in, turn the radio on, right?
And I was
not here to play. And by the way, all these models have line in, but I'm not going to go through all that. I don't do line in on a regular. I play my cassettes. All right. So let me see here. Eject is this one. Put tape in. Hit play. So there's play. It's loud. Okay. And again, this one will fast forward to the next song. We're not going to go through that. But it'll still play. But it will not rewind because it needs, that's still fast forwarding, it's not rewinding. So this one needs the gear, okay? Alright, so this one needs the gear. it's doing that because anyway, it's hard to explain. Alright, so this one works, alright? So, okay, so and this one has dual antennas, but it's only AM and FM. So here's one antenna, here's the other one, but it's only AM and FM. So go figure. Why does it have dual antennas? Doesn't need them. Only needs one, but you know, that's the style, right? And by the way, this is a, that's right, the 204. Okay. And this is a Sharp GF-8585. Okay. The only difference is the cosmetics, but everything else is the same. Okay. We plug it in. Okay. And this one, turn the radio on.
The medium box. Anytime I make a post-student visa.
Instagram and over and stay.
Anyway, this has line in as well. This one has a chrome switch, an edit switch. The other ones all have an edit switch. This one does have shortwave, so it does have FM, shortwave 1 and 2, and AM. Okay. This is an 8585, and this is a what is it? 8585X. This is an 8585X model. All right. And this one also will play. Okay. Yeah. Hit this. Hit play. This will fast forward. Well, there it goes. Okay, so. But it won't rewind because it needs the gear. Okay, so there it goes. Kicks off. Full auto stop on this model. All four of these. So, you play. So, anyway, so I don't want to bore you to death, but that's a 8585X. The radio works, tape player works, even my tape. Okay, and then I don't want you seeing double here, but I'll make you see in double here. By the way, these things weigh 15.5 pounds each. That's like what, 8 kilos? They weigh about 8 kilos each. So these things are heavy. They're not your lightweight things here. Now this here is a Sharp GF-8585 as well. Okay, and it is a this is just GF-8585, no X, just straight 8585. That's the next model. This is not. Okay, so let's see. This one, oh, I did it wrong. Oh wait, okay, it doesn't matter. All right, well, it does matter. Okay, so I have to plug this one in. I get confused on all these things. So this one, I have to plug it in. Okay, so radio.
Rideshare lot at Love Field. Alto picks up curbside and is the safest, most comfortable ride home. With employee drivers and luxury SUVs every time, Alto is a better way to ride.
That in. This one needs a complete set of belts and everything. Needs the belts, either tire, all that. That's what it was. This one doesn't work. Everything else is great, but won't rewind, won't fast forward, won't do anything. Because this needs a complete set of everything. All right. That's what. So 3 decks work. This one doesn't work because it needs belts. I've got those in order. Okay. So I need 3 gears because I had 2 gears, but I broke 1 gear putting 1 gear in one of these. Don't ask me which one. I can't remember anymore. Okay. So give me my tape out. That back in. All right. And then it was this model, right? The X model. Yeah, that one. See, here's the cord. I don't need the cord because this works on batteries. Oh, no, I can't play that music. No, we can't play the music. Okay. Hit play. I can't play the music. Wait. Put it on there. There you go. Who's calling? Houston, Texas is calling. Houston, Texas is calling. You know them? That's the entire town of Houston, Texas is calling. I love that. Shut up. Alright, so. Fast forward to the next song if you want. Just like that. On batteries that I mentioned is not plugged in to anything. No plugged in. It's running on batteries. Right? It has a full complement of line in, line out, and phono. Actually, it's line out, line in, and phono. There's a ground, your microphone jacks, things like that. Okay? You got your headphone jack, external speakers, your beat cut, DC input, AC input.